Some cars are able to shift gears faster than the blink of an eye. And today, we're diving into the world of dual clutch transmissions. A dual clutch transmission, or a DCT, is like an automatic transmission on steroids. Instead of one clutch, it has two, one for the odd gears and the other for even gears. This allows the DCT to pre-select the next gear before you even finish with the current one. You can think of it like juggling. While one ball is in the air, you're already preparing to throw up the next one. The same principle can be applied to DCTs. While you're cruising in third gear, for example, fourth gear is already waiting in the wings. As soon as it's time to shift, the transmission swaps clutches. And voila, you're already in the next gear. Faster than you can say dual. Now, let's dive a little bit deeper. This system allows for quicker shifts, improved fuel efficiency, and a more engaging driving experience. But it's not all smooth shifting. DCTs can be more expensive and more complex than your average or traditional automatic transmission. And while they're great for performance driving, they can sometimes be a bit jerky at lower speeds. Just ask a Ford Focus owner. This portion of the video is sponsored by Rust-Oleum's Wipe New. If you have a black car, you know it's hard to keep it shiny and clean. So I set out on an adventure to find the right product to keep Vader spotless. And that's when I came across Wipe New's Blast Ceramic Coating. This is supposed to deliver a high gloss, super slick shine with ease. This bottle connects straight to your water hose and has a dual action sprayer. This one turns on and off the water, and the other activates the ceramic blaster. Before using the blaster, I gave Vader a quick wash. And without drying, I activated the blaster and coated Vader from top to bottom. The ceramic blaster posits a hydrophobic coating that sheds water and repels dirt. It also helps accelerate dry time and reduces water spotting. The instructions warn you not to let this dry in your vehicle. So as soon as I was done coating everything, I switched off the blaster and rinsed everything off. I then used microfiber cloths to dry Vader off. And I have to admit, I was impressed with how this turned out and how long it lasted. It really is an effortless shine. Get yours today at wipenew.com or Advanced Auto Parts. Despite these drawbacks, many manufacturers, including Volkswagen, Ford, and Nissan, have embraced DCTs. And once you've experienced those lightning-fast gear changes, it's hard to go back. It is worth noting that not all DCTs are created the same. The design and operation can vary depending on the manufacturer. Now, here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that the DCT was first used in the Audi Sport Quattro S1, a legendary rally car from the 1980s?
So while editing, I've noticed I made a mistake. Hear me out. Porsche started developing dual clutch transmissions for racing cars in the late 1970s to prevent a drop in boost during gear shifts in turbocharged engines. Porsche installed a prototype of their dual clutch gearbox in a Porsche 956 Le Mans racing car in 1983. The PDK transmission made its competition debut in the 1985 Porsche 962C Le Mans racing car, which went on to win the World Sports Car Championship in 1986. The PDK transmission was also used in the 1985 Audi Sport Quattro S1 Group B rally car. In terms of passenger cars, the first mass production vehicle to use the DCT was the 2003 Volkswagen Golf R32. The more you know. Now back to the original video.
Comment what your favorite car is that utilizes a DCT. Well, that's all for today, friends. Next time, we'll be exploring another fascinating piece of automotive tech. Can you leave your guesses in the comments? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome automotive content. Drive safe.